10,000 years ago, the last woolly mammoth took its final breath. But today, a group of scientists believe they can bring it back. Not in a movie, in real life. And they're closer than you think. The woolly mammoth roamed the frozen lands of Siberia and North America for millions of years. It stood 13 feet tall, weighed up to 6 tons, and survived temperatures that would kill most animals alive today. Its thick fur, its massive tusks, its layers of fat, all perfectly designed by nature for the Ice Age. Then, around 10,000 years ago, it vanished. Scientists long believed it was gone forever, but forever just got a deadline. In 2021, a company called Colossal Biosciences was founded with one mission: bring back the woolly mammoth. They raised over $200 million. Their lead scientist, Dr. George Church of Harvard University, had already spent years studying ancient mammoth DNA extracted from frozen bodies found in Siberia. Some of these bodies were so perfectly preserved in ice that scientists found actual blood, actual muscle tissue, and actual DNA thousands of years old. This was the key they had been waiting for. Here is how they planned to do it. The woolly mammoth's closest living relative is the Asian elephant, sharing 99.6% of the same DNA. Colossal scientists are using a revolutionary technology called CRISPR, a genetic editing tool, to take Asian elephant cells and slowly edit them. They are inserting mammoth genes one by one: genes for thick fur, genes for cold-resistant blood, genes for extra body fat. Piece by piece, they are rebuilding an animal that has not existed for 10,000 years. But why? Why spend $200 million to bring back an extinct animal? The answer is bigger than you think. Scientists believe that bringing the mammoth back to Siberia could actually slow down climate change. Here is how. Siberia's frozen ground, called permafrost, holds billions of tons of carbon trapped inside. As the planet warms, this permafrost is melting, releasing that carbon into the atmosphere. Mammoths, by stomping the ground and knocking down trees, would compress the snow and keep the ground frozen. One animal, one solution to one of the biggest problems on Earth. By 2024, Colossal had already created mammoth-elephant hybrid cells in the laboratory, living cells with mammoth traits. Their next step is creating an embryo, a baby, using an artificial womb so no elephant mother is harmed. They are targeting the year 2028 for the first live birth. If successful, it will be the greatest scientific achievement in the history of biology, an animal brought back from extinction by human hands. But not everyone is celebrating. Some scientists warn that releasing a de-extinct animal into the wild could disturb ecosystems in ways we cannot predict. Others ask, if we can bring back the mammoth, what stops us from bringing back other extinct species? Or worse, what if someone tries to bring back something we should never see again? The science that can save the planet could also, in the wrong hands, threaten it. The woolly mammoth died 10,000 years ago, but science does not respect death the way it used to. The question is no longer, can we bring it back? The question is, should we? And if they succeed in 2028, the world will never look at extinction the same way again. Follow this channel because this story is just getting started.